my fellow mathematician. Welcome to this study, whereby we are looking at what is called matrix of standard transformation. We are going to consider the images of I and J, this one, to obtain matrices of standard transformation. This standard transformation, we are going to consider as 8 of them. We shall consider 8 of them. And we want to begin with these two here. Reflection on y-axis, on this axis here. Along this axis, x is equal to 0. Also, we are going to consider the reflection on the x-axis, whereby now y-axis is equal to 0 in this case. So we begin with the first one, reflection along the y-axis. Reflection along the y-axis. So point I is here. From origin here, this is the origin, to here, this is 1 unit along the y-axis, x-axis, and the 0 unit along the y-axis. Now, so the image of this point I is a unit vector. We can consider this to be our mirror. This is our mirror, the one we have placed there. The image along the y-axis, this is the y-axis. So its image at the reflection on this line is perpendicular distance from I here, 1 unit on the other side of the mirror, actually perpendicular distance of 1 unit on the other side of the mirror, which is, so here, the image will be here. So here we are going to have what is called I prime. And you can see clearly this side, this is negative 1 unit, 0. It is negative 1 unit, 0, I prime. So that is the image of I, or along the y-axis. So you can consider this as our mirror. As our mirror there, the image is 1 unit away from the object on this mirror line. Now, then on the other hand, J, this is J lies on the mirror line, and so its perpendicular distance from the line is 0. This is the mirror line. So here J prime is the same point here, J prime here. So its perpendicular distance from the mirror is 0. So the image of J is the same as of that of J here. So J, the image of J will be 0, 1. That is the value. Meaning that the matrix of reflection on the line, X is equal to 0, matrix of reflection. Matrix of reflection on the line X is equal to 0 will be given by, so first of all, you start with the one which is along the x-axis. So it will be given by negative 1, 0, negative 1, 0. That along J1, 1. It will be 0, 1. So this is the standard matrix of reflection on the line X is equal to 0 on this line, or on the y-axis. So you can use this unit matrix to get your the reflection very easily. So what you have done, you will reflect this point here, point I, on this line to get this image. For J, it remains the same. So that is number 1. This is now our number 1 case. We are going to consider now our number 2. That is the reflection on x-axis whereby y is equal to 0. That will be our next point of consideration.